How to record your screen on your MacBook. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to record your screen on your MacBook, you can do it through QuickTime Player or with the combination of a few keys. To screen record with QuickTime Player, tap on the launchpad and then on the other option. You will see the option for QuickTime Player here. Tap on that. Now tap on the file option on the top toolbar. You will see the option for new screen recording. Tap on that and then tap on the record button and your screen recording will begin. You can tap on the pause button on the toolbar to end the recording. In order to record your screen with a combination of few keys, press Command Shift and 5 together and you will see the option for record. So tap on record and the screen recording will begin. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.